Turk for the day. And we just went up to the buffet for breakfast. Got our coffee. America runs on coffee.
Exactly.
And so we're gonna change into our bathing suits, I think, and then we're gonna go walk around and go find the beach. We love the beaches in Grand Turk. They are full of sea glass, which I love to collect. And literally you can just like
walk in the sand and
walk
find
in the
it.
sand and find it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you can, like, the waves are so soft usually. Can't speak for every day.
Yeah.
So we will show you what we do.
See what happens.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Having a good time in Grand Turk, having a local beer, and just having a good day. Woo! Hey guys, we are having lunch on the ship with a beautiful view. The Grand Turk behind us. Amazing. And we are eating, I got a burrito bowl with shrimp and chicken and rice and beans and lettuce and cheese and salsa. It's a lot. And then Sean got
Tacos, chicken and pork tacos.
chicken and pork with
Yes.
lettuce and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Yummy.
And look at that view. Can I get it any better? Wow. Gorgeous. Bye. And then after lunch is our amazing dessert. Ice cream that's homemade here. No, gelato.
Gelato.
Chocolate chip cookies. Yum. And Sean is just having chocolate chip cookies. But they're still good.
Still really good. Very soft.
Yum. Hey guys, we are all dressed up and on our way, well, going to dinner very soon. We're gonna go to the Italian restaurant, Cucina de Capitano.